boys and girls, this is Miss Juanita, and this week we are going to talk about the apple lesson. So this week is going to be super fun because we are going to learn all about apples. In starting Monday, we're going to talk about the 5 senses. So senses, boys and girls, consist of these that you see here. So it's about taste, it's hearing, sight, smell, and touch. But starting Monday, we're going to talk first about taste. So let's think, what is taste? Taste is a sense that you eat or drink, and it gives you a sense of flavor. So boys and girls, what is flavor? Flavor is something that is sweet, sour, bitter, or salty. What is your favorite flavor, boys and girls? Don't forget, we're going to talk about this on Monday. Think about what's your favorite flavor. So, why are we going to use apples? Well, there are different types of apples. As you can see here, we have the famous and most common red delicious apple, the Fuji apple, the golden delicious apple, the Granny Smith, the Empire, and the Honey Crisp. So as you can see here, there are different types of colors for each apple. On Monday, we're going to talk about only the red apple, the yellow apple, and the green apple. So in class, we're going to talk about predictions. So predictions is a statement that will show you what will happen or might happen in the future. So you think, what is a prediction and how are we going to use predictions in class? So in the classroom, boys and girls, we're going to predict which of the 3 apples, the red, the green, and the yellow, is your favorite. And how are we going to learn about that? Is by tasting the apple. So you're going to taste the apple and then you're going to see if your prediction matches what you liked in person. So in this worksheet that I'm sending home, you have this exact worksheet, and see on the title under where it says prediction on this side, this is the left side of the apple. I would like for you boys and girls to color in either the green, the red, or the yellow apple to see what you predict would be your favorite apple. You can ask your parents and guardians to help you color the apple. But remember, only this side of the apple will be colored, not this side. This will be done in the class. So for class, you're going to bring 3 apples. You're going to bring the red apple, the yellow apple, and the green apple, so we can taste it in class. Remember, boys and girls, do not taste the apples until we are in the classroom in order to talk about what they taste like. And remember that you have to turn in your prediction worksheet in order for us to fill out if your prediction matched. Alright, boys and girls, I'm so excited to taste the apples and see your predictions. I'll see you Monday. Thank you.